Oops, that's the wrong side. All right, we're looking at 53. 53, here we go. This is a hyperbola. And I know that the x must be positive and the y must be negative because it is in the x direction. So that is out and that is out. We're down to either one of those two. I'm going up and down 2, but only over 1. So the over is the 1, the up and down is this guy right here. So this would be my answer. Let's go ahead and look at this other one here, number 54 as well. We'll put both of these in the same picture here. So here, this is my equation. It's being written in graphing form. So the first thing that I do is I put my y's together. Well, they were already together, and I move over the 45. So that one is fine. This stayed the same here. Here I factored out a 9, but look at this. This should have been a positive when I factor that out there. So this here must be my wrong step, which is step B. Let's go ahead and also look at 55. We'll just do all of these guys all on the same one. So for 55, this is a hyperbola. I know that because it's got my negative here, which set represents the asymptote. So this here, the square root is 2. That's what goes up and down. And this here, the square root is 3. That was what goes over. So since rise over run is my slope, the rise is the y's, the run is the exercise. So we do get plus or minus 2/3, which would put us right there as our slopes. All right, last one of these guys here. For this one here, it is not a circle because they're not the same. So circles are out. It is an ellipse, and so here with the ellipse, one of them is talking about this and this. At least in my class, last time we took a test, we made a lot of mistakes on this particular one, so we need to be real careful. If you notice, and I put it into the right format by dividing by 81, you end up getting y squared plus x over 81 is equal to 1. And there is nothing being subtracted from the y or the x, like it's just y minus 0. So 0, 0 is my my value for my center. Up here, I know a lot of people think, oh, I've got my 9 and whatever. This is not the number that tells you where the center is. This is what tells you whether it's going up or down. So for this one here, this here says that I'm going over 9 and 9, so it's going to be definitely longer, which makes it a horizontal major axis. So the major axis, the bigger one, is the horizon.